Hi, coach. What a way to concede this defeat. How would you describe the game totally?
Yeah, I think we played well. We had our chances in the first half that we could have gone up by 3 goals or even more. But then we couldn't take our chances. And then they came back. And then they got our penalty. And then the second goal.
Would you say they were the better side, or you think Kotoko deserved to have won this game?
Yeah, we deserve to have won this game. We played better. We created some few decent chances that we could have taken our chances. But you saw it. I don't want to mention that person's name. Intimidation. That is it.
That injury to Zeze seemed to have destabilized your plan for the game. Even when you brought in Nicholas Mensah, you played well, but I'm thinking that when you're a coach and it happens to you in that manner, it's going to affect you.
Yeah. I think Zeze's injury was a big blow to us because he's played in that position for some time now. He's gotten the experience, he's gotten the composure. But then, because he had to go out, we had to do a forced tactical substitution, and which I think we're able to keep the tempo. But then somewhere along the line, we couldn't maintain it. But then I think when Baba came there, I think he did well. Nicholas Mensah, when he also came to his position, he also did well. So to me, I mean, even though Zeze went out, those who came in, as far as our tactical orientation was concerned, they did well.
Your next game is a super clash. It's between Kotoko and Hearts. How do you pick up the pieces from here ahead of that game?
When we get there, you know what.
Better luck next time and safe journey back. Hello, Samuel. Is it fair to say you are the happiest man in the world right now?
Yeah. I would like to say that because it is not easy. As you compare what I've went through since I came here and winning the Kotoko, I know it's a plus, and I'm really happy for that.
It's a massive relief for you, especially the manner in which you lost the game in the way against Legon City.
Yeah.
You came here and you were beaten 3-0. This result is the perfect reaction you were expecting from your boys.
Exactly. This is what I was expecting. But we thank God for this winning, and I'll thank the players as well because they comport themselves and they fight. They fought for this win. So I'll give thanks to the players and the supporters as well.
Let me ask you, Sammy, when Kotoko scored first, what was running through your mind?
Yeah, no, I knew definitely that I'll come back. I know that I'll come back because I know myself, me and Kotoko, and the players as well. So we know that definitely at the end of the 90 minutes, yeah, we're gonna take the win.
Your substitutions proved to be the master stroke. That boy, Vincent Ejay, you equally brought in Kufu Asamoah and you brought in Emmanuel Sapon. The tempo, everything changed for your team.
Yeah, because as a coach, you have to observe and analyze the situation. Because whenever the Kotoko brought the tall guy, yeah, I told them that they should put the ball down because they are in for area balls. But I told them they should keep the ball down. And they have to get close to him. But the changes that came in, that I told them that they shouldn't rush. They should compose themselves whenever they go to the goal area. And this is what exactly happened.
Now you want to be consistent before the league comes to an end.
Yeah.
You are back to winning ways. You go to Accra to play Great Olympics next. Yeah. What should these fans expect and what do you have to tell them?
Yeah. What I want to tell them that they should support us. Gradually, things will change. It's not easy to come in the midway to take a team to change things. You see, psychologically, they have effect. In my philosophy, it's difficult for them to adopt, but I know that gradually they will adopt my philosophy, and I believe that things will go well.
Enjoy your day, Sammy. Congratulations again.
You too, enjoy.
Hello. Congratulations.
Thank you.
What's the man of the match? Who came this saying?
Like I said, first half now I start here now. Pressure a crowd so. Until first go in the buy no, and you can say I will say my pressure and call him more. Send a baby to my tikano. It's only my equalizer no.
Bakanuko first go in the buy no. And who Tom Sukakra?
Like I said, first go in the buy no. Now motivate here. I will game. I'm motivated here. I don't know my team conquer the second goal.
But the time I'm going to buy, Mobo Bonamun said, Yapon, and I said, the baby, I'm better winning goal.
meka se ball ne de na enim se eden a o se nya win no ti win ne de meka se eden a na e be win game no.
About your personal performance. Last time I'm about how was your best player? And that's why your best player. What is the secret about your performance?
Meka se mi ye training pa mi obi a mi ye training pa. Anytime bia se mi bo game a mi ye serious se me bo game no. Any kwa se mi didi agro. Anytime bia mi we focus e wo game no so.
Our first season our Ghana Premier League Luminian. Already I'm out for say we are one of the best midfielders. But I bet now this way so.
Meka tro bia se mekoso akonkoden. Se no mu hu mi no maintain na mekoso apedam mo de monum sa.
Congratulations my idea.
Thank you.